In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Etsy shop in less than 5 minutes for kids. Let's dive right in and get your creative business started with some help from an adult, of course. First things first, ask your parent or guardian to visit Etsy.com. Once you're there, you'll need to click on Sign In if you already have an account, or hit Register if this is your first time. For this setup, make sure to use an adult's email address to create your account and come up with a strong, secure password that you'll remember. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open your shop. Simply click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Sell on Etsy. Then you'll find an option that says Open your Etsy shop. Give it a click and you'll be on your way. Here, you'll need to choose your shop's language, country, and currency. For example, if you're in the United States, you might choose English, United States, and USD. Next, let's get creative with your shop name. Pick something fun and memorable, like Lily's Art Shop or Crafty Kids Co. You have up to 20 characters, so make it catchy and let it reflect what you love to create. With your shop officially set up, it's time to create your first listing. Press Add a Listing and upload a photo of what you're planning to sell. It could be a beautiful drawing, a cool craft, or even a piece of digital art. After the photos, think of a great title like Rainbow Unicorn Drawing that will catch people's attention. In the description section, write a brief paragraph explaining what your item is, so potential buyers know exactly what they're looking at. Then set a price for your item. You might want to get some help from your parents with this part to make sure it's reasonable. Finally, decide if your item is something physical that you'll mail or a digital product someone can download, and select the corresponding option. We're almost there. Next, you'll need to set up how you'll get paid. This is where your parents come in again. They'll need to add information for Payoneer, PayPal, or a bank account so Etsy can pay you for your sales. Additionally, a credit or debit card for identity verification will need to be added, and this part is definitely for the adults to handle. And now for the grand finale, launching your shop. Start by reviewing all your details to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're ready, click Open Your Shop, and voila! Your shop is now live and ready to share with friends and family. Congrats on your official Etsy shop. Happy selling!